Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Busuu, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Busuu, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.busuu.com and hit enter. Wait for the home page to load completely. Once the page has loaded, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be presented with multiple sign-up options. Choose to sign up using your email by clicking the corresponding option. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for quicker registration. If you choose the email option, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Ensure your password meets the security requirements shown on the screen. Once you have filled out both fields, look for the Create Account button. Click on Create Account to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox after this step. Open your email client and check for a message from Busuu. If you find the email, click on the verification link inside to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Busuu website. Log in using your email address and password. Once logged in, you can begin exploring the language courses available on Busuu. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Busuu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.